5 warning signs your dryer vent is clogged. If you notice any of these, get it handled immediately. This is a fire hazard. Sign 1. Clothes take multiple cycles to dry. Used to take 45 minutes, now takes an hour and a half? Your vent is restricting airflow and trapping moisture. Sign 2. The dryer or laundry room gets extremely hot. That heat is being trapped because the vent is blocked. This is dangerous. Trapped heat can ignite lint inside the duct. Sign 3. Burning smell when the dryer runs. Most serious warning sign. Lint is heating up inside the vent. Stop the dryer immediately. Do not use it until the vent is cleaned and inspected. Sign 4. Dryer shuts off before the cycle finishes. That's the thermal cutoff switch doing its job. It kills power when the dryer overheats. The safety feature is working, but the vent needs cleaning. Sign 5. Weak airflow at the outside vent. Go outside, find where the vent exits, turn the dryer on. If the airflow is weak or the flap barely opens, the vent is blocked. Professional vent cleaning costs $100 to $200. Takes under an hour. Should be done at least once a year. Prevents fires, lowers electric bills, cuts drying time in half. Dryer vent cleaning in Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City, and Hobe Sound. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.